bringing the secret well syrup. You'll never know what's in it that has you so addicted. Myths say that only 2 or 3 people know the recipe, and the secret recipe for Coca-Cola is kept in a vault. Anyway, here comes the second major ingredient: carbonated water. Once made, the secret syrup is added to provide that distinct flavor. They are now dumping the entire stuff into additional chambers for mixing before pouring it via pipes to fill the bottles for you. There are now robots and clever devices to collect the bottles and unwind them so that they may be lined up properly. And you know what? Coca-Cola was initially marketed as a cure for headaches and hangovers, claiming to be a brain tonic that could alleviate fatigue. Well, it still is, for many of us. I believe these bottles are performing a variety of dance moves only for stylistic purposes. Now have a look at that wheel movement. Whatever, it looks fantastic. It's time to fill, fill, fill. These nozzles will firmly grab the bottles and pour the drink up to a set level. The bottles are expertly filled with this amazing drink, and then the capping game begins. And the reason you feel rejuvenated after grabbing that bright, clean bottle is that they take baths on a regular basis. It's a quick and easy operation to install and tighten the bottle lids to keep the flavors within. Let me tell you some incredible facts. In its first year, when Coca-Cola was presented in a jug, they were able to sell 9 glasses each day, and now they're selling 200,000 bottles each minute. If I ask myself how much Coke I drink, I believe they arrive. All of these bottles are stacked to be wrapped in cardboard boxes, which are then wrapped in clear plastic sheets to ensure that none of the boxes lose their partners. When it comes to sipping your favorite fizzy beverage, nothing surpasses the simplicity and coolness of a Coke can. This roller coaster of fantastic moves isn't just about style. It's also an innovative and safe way to spin the cans upside down to dry the water droplets. Furthermore, such designs save a significant amount of room. These nozzles are the most impressive and rewarding thing I've ever seen. How beautifully they fill our cans with our preferred beverages. And believe me, every package tastes different. Try it next time. These bright, tiny containers have become an iconic symbol of refreshment, and they are also my personal favorite. I mean, I'm not sure why I usually prefer a tin can to a plastic bottle, you know? During the Beverage, Coca-Cola contributed to the war effort. The corporation offered the iconic Coke and a grin to American soldiers, and a mobile Coca-Cola bottling machine was even set up on the front lines. Coca-Cola is available in more than 200 countries, and its motto, "Open Happiness," reflects its global appeal. It is a worldwide language that brings smiles to people's faces across cultures. These bottles do not simply go with the flow, they go through many detectors, so if any of the bottles are faulty, they can rectify it right away to retain their increasing reputation. It's time to stamp these bottles with the iconic red and white engravings. It has been matched with some unexpected friends over the years, including peanuts and pickles. People have discovered unusual and occasionally strange combinations that work like magic with a Coke in hand. Exceptional protocol for exceptional drinks. These covers are gathered and stacked into the machine to generate fresh magic all over the planet. These thick cardboard tubes will be molded and stapled over the bottles to make them easier to transport. This is absolutely ridiculous. There's no need to rush and awkwardly tear off the plastic wrap from a bunch of Coke cans, creating an embarrassing scene in front of everyone. Instead, why not take a page out of this lovely lady's playbook? She effortlessly transports her drinks to dinners, movie outings, or wherever life takes her without the stress or mess. And if you're at a party or just hanging out, why not take the moment to pour yourself a refreshing cocktail or two? After all, what's a good gathering without a few drinks to loosen things up? Now, have you ever had one of those days when you're feeling sluggish and in need of a serious mood lift? Those days when nothing seems to give you that burst of energy you need? That's exactly where energy drinks come in. These little cans of pep are packed with a variety of ingredients designed to give you that extra push. Whether it's the jolt of caffeine, the rush of sugar, or the blend of vitamins and minerals, energy drinks are like an instant pick-me-up. They provide a rapid energy boost, helping you shake off fatigue and get back into your groove. But it's not just the boost that makes energy drinks exciting. It's the fizzy bubbles that burst with each sip, tantalizing your taste buds and adding to the experience. And if you've ever wondered about how energy drinks are made, it's all done in a blink. These drinks are washed, dried, filled, and sealed with such precision and speed that human contact is kept to an absolute minimum. It's all about efficiency, cleanliness, and that satisfying feeling of cracking open a perfectly sealed can. Speaking of drinks, have you ever noticed the special magic that comes with sipping from a glass bottle? There's something about the experience that feels just a bit more refreshing, don't you think? Glass is non-permeable, which means it locks in the carbonation, giving you a longer-lasting, bubbly experience. When you open a bottle, that first burst of fizz feels extra satisfying, almost like an event in itself. And the best part? Glass bottles have this timeless, classic charm that makes every sip feel special. So the next time you finish a drink from a glass bottle, don't just toss it aside. Reuse it, recycle it, or even repurpose it for something creative. Glass may seem simple, but it has a lasting impact, and that's something worth celebrating. Cheers to the timeless wonder of glass, and cheers to all those little moments of refreshment that make life a little brighter. Now, these bottles aren't just for storing beverages, they can also be repurposed into unique and stylish vases or candle holders. It's amazing what a little creativity can do, especially when you're nursing a slight hangover. After a fun night out, all those drinks will be neatly returned to their rightful containers, making it easy for you to grab them when you need a refreshment. Let's talk about how the magic happens. First, we have a wash extension tool that gives each bottle a thorough, soapy shower, ensuring that every surface is clean and ready for its next task. Just the way it should be. Once your drink is inside, the capping machine swings into action. With a quick and smooth motion, it secures a tight cap onto each bottle, locking in the freshness and fizz. There are no spills, no leaks, just a secure seal that ensures your drink stays perfectly preserved until you're ready to enjoy it. And let's not forget the iconic beer bottle. Your journey wouldn't be complete without them. Whether you're preparing for a chill evening, a fun movie night, a lively party, or any event where drinks are involved, these bottles have got you covered. They're ready to play their part in making every gathering a little more special. So whether you're storing, serving, or even repurposing, these bottles are versatile companions always there when you need them, ready to elevate your experience, no matter the occasion. Thanks for joining us on this fizzy, fun-filled journey through the world of Coca-Cola and all things refreshment. If you enjoyed the behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite drinks come to life, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool insights. Got a favorite drink or quirky combo you swear by? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay refreshed and keep those bottles popping. See you in the next video.